Very good evening to all. I'm Dr. Lalitha from JSS College of Pharmacy, UP, also convener for Scientific Committee, PharmaNEST'21, which is organized by Pharmacy Federation. So today is the last day of poster presentations. So since last 1 week, we are completed many presentations. So I welcome today's evaluators for this presentation, Dr. Subhas, Dean, School of Pharmacy, GH Raisoni University, Madhya Pradesh. Welcome you, sir. Dr.
Thank you, sir.
Father Divedi
Yes,
from
sir.
Gitanjali University, Udaipur. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Shankar, Professor, PhD College of Pharmacy, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So we welcome you all. And let us start the session. Sweta, over to Sweta.
Okay, thank you, sir. And I request A. Lalitha to kindly switch on her camera and start presenting the poster.
Good evening to everyone. I'm an audible, ma'am.
Yes, you are audible. But I can't see your camera on.
I switched on my camera, ma'am.
Okay, can anybody else see her? Yes, now you are visible. Go ahead.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Lalitha. I'm studying M.Pharm in the University of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Gutlavallaru, Andhra Pradesh. Today I'm going to say a presentation on topic synthesis of in-silicon characterization and antimicrobial activity of some novel ethyl to substituted benzyl diamino 4,5 diphenyl dimethyl thiophenol 3-carboxylate derivatives. That is nothing but a novel skiff basis. Generally, in order to synthesize this novel skiff basis, we require the substituted 2 amino thiophenes as well as a substituted aromatic aldehydes. In introduction, we are going to see about the 2 amino thiophenes. These are the nothing but 5-member in the heterocyclic ring systems. These are generally synthesized by cyclization by Giswald, and these are access and backbone for the several pharmaceutical industries and dye making and orgochemicals. In order to and the purification of these compounds is generally done by using the recrystallization and column chromatography, and also perform the characterization like physical properties and spectroscopic studies. In method and going to the method, and first required quantity of the sulfur is taken in the RBF. To that ethyl and to the 10 ml of ethanol is added and stir for some time. After that, now add the ethyl acetate as well as the ethyl methyl ketone and kept for heating until it attained the 45 to 55 degrees centigrade. Now we add the 5 ml of morpholin dropwise manner and kept for heating for 1.5 hours until the brown color solution is obtained. The obtained product is cooled and kept in the refrigerator for 24 hours and filter for the next day. And the product is nothing but a substituted to amino thiophenol. This is an intermediate compound. It is treated with a substituted aromatic aldehydes. To that, add the 10 ml of dimethyl formamide and 0.2 ml of HCl, and refluxation is done for 3 hours. And the obtained product is nothing but a normal skiff basis. And this experiment is performed by using the different aldehydes, 5 types of aldehydes, and recrystallization is generally purification of the compound is generally performed by the recrystallization. First, they take the product to the 25 ml of ethanol is added and heat for some time until the product get dissolved. And now filter the product and kept at the room temperature for 24 hours. The crystals are obtained. This is a recrystallization process, and these are the physical. And the characterization is nothing but physical properties. Physical properties of 5 compounds means these are the 5 novel skiff bases which are obtained by using the different aldehydes. In first compound is obtained by using the 4-chlorobenzaldehyde, and the second one is a 4-chlorobenzaldehyde, and the 4-methoxybenzaldehyde as well as a 2,4 dichlorobenzaldehyde as well as a trimethoxybenzaldehyde. By using this 5 aldehydes, these novel skiff bases are synthesized. And we calculate the molecular formula for all these compounds and the molecular weight. In crystallization solvent that is used is ethanol, and the melting point is calculated by using the apparatus, melting point apparatus or the capillary tube, and percentage yield is calculated for this all these compounds, and RF value is calculated by the TLC, by performing TLC. And the solvent that is used in TLC is hexane as well as a chloroform. And these are the spectral results and the spectral data for first two compounds. These are generally performed by using IR, NMR as well as a mass spectroscopy. And for this five compounds, we also perform the antimicrobial results by using E. coli as well as a Bacillus cereus and the SRS microorganisms. And the standard that is used is streptomycin. We measure the zone of inhibition for this compound. In this graph, we observe that on the compound one, there is a 4-chlorobenzaldehyde, and they exhibit more antimicrobial activity against the Bacillus cereus. And compound 3 also possesses a more antimicrobial activity against the Bacillus cereus and the S. aureus. In results, we observe that all the compound in the process the good antimicrobial activity. As we see in this graph, the compound 3 having the very good antimicrobial activity against the Bacillus cereus. Compound 1 having the very good antimicrobial activity against the Bacillus cereus, and compound 3 having the good antimicrobial activity against the Bacillus cereus and the S. aureus. In conclusion, that all by using this substituted 2 aminothiophene and substituted aldehydes, we get this skiff bases in good yield. And all this synthesized compound satisfies the Lipinski rule 5 and shows the enzyme inhibition activity. Generally, Lipinski rules means the molecular weight of the compound must be less than 100 atoms, and its partition quotient value must be less than 5, and total polar surface must be less than 140 angstrom. If it satisfies this, all these points, then this novel compound is satisfies the Lipinski rule 5. These are the references. Thank you.
Thank you, Lalitha. Now I request all the evaluators to please come up with their questions.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can you show me this middle table? Molecular weight, recrystallization, melting point. Can you zoom it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Ma'am, please zoom the table.
Yeah. Done. So you have substituted the halogens, I think.
Sir,
This in one it is chlorine, second it is fluorine, third
yes,
it
sir.
is
Aldehydes, sir. By using
yeah
aromatic aldehydes.
aromatic.
Aldehydes, sir.
This
Hello.
what this F denote? F Cl.
Yes, sir. By using this different aromatic aldehydes, sir. Cl means 4-chlorobenzaldehyde, sir. 2-aminothiophene to that 4-chlorobenzaldehyde is added, and the reflexation is done and performed by in order to get the novel skiff base, sir.
And the second compound.
4-fluorobenzaldehyde, sir.
So
Same
that's
process,
what
sir, but
that's what I'm asking. You have changed the halogen. That's it, no?
yes, sir.
Hmm. So this halogen changing of halogen did had the change in the antimicrobial activity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It has changed in the antimicrobial activity. We can observe in this graphs.
And what was the standard taken, madam?
For
Stand
antimicrobial activity, sir.
yeah.
Streptomycin, sir, and ampicillin also we can use, sir.
Streptomycin and ampicillin. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So your molecules are having the means nearly the same molecular weight. 321, 305, 317,
Yes, sir.
356. Yeah. These halogens didn't change the molecular weight or melting point either. Is very much same.
Somewhat near, somewhat
Yeah, yeah.
error only, sir.
They are very much near.
Sir, not too much.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Among this, which one given the best activity?
Compound 3, sir. That is nothing but 4-methoxy benzaldehyde, sir. By using 4-methoxy benzaldehyde, we get more antimicrobial activity against the Bacillus cereus and SRS, sir.
Okay. In the antimicrobial study, you used ethanol also as one control because ethanol also will have antimicrobial activity.
Yes, sir.
Because you are not included your
But standard
solvent.
that step.
Standard drug is okay, but you have to subtract the basics, no? That ethanol. Ethanol you have to submit, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mhm. That whether you have some ethanol has some antimicrobial activity. It's a very good antimicrobial agent.
Yes,
So
sir.
that you have included? No, that is not there. And
Yes.
what are the parameters it satisfies the Lipinski 5 rule?
That molecular weight, sir. Molecular weight less than 500, sir. For
Okay,
this
that is
all.
one parameter.
What, sir?
Five. What are the different parameters? One is the molecular weight, and then
And under is a partition quotient, sir. Less than. But I'm not included in this, sir.
okay,
Less than 5.
okay,
And total polar surface area, it's
yeah,
must be less than 140 angstroms.
okay. And how
If
many
it's at
acceptor to receptor groups? Donor to
5
receptor.
hydrogen
Donor to
donors, sir.
receptor. Huh?
At least 5 hydrogen donors. It must have at least
Okay,
5.
okay,
Uh,
okay. So, what is the need for this compound to be synthesized for antimicrobial activity?
by using this, we can get the good yields, sir. By the synthesize, we get a good yield.
No, no. This whether what is the need for this molecule? This is basically what basic structure it has. The
Uh,
ring.
uh, Heterocyclic rings
Okay.
by using 2-aminothiophene.
What is it?
We'll use 2-aminothiophene, no, sir.
Oh, okay.
Intermediate compound. Yeah.
Okay.
5-member heterocyclic ring.
Okay. So, any residual solvent was there in the final preparation?
Residual solvent. No, sir.
No. Okay.
No, sir.
Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
No questions from my side.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
One minute. Can I ask one more question?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, sir.
She has said in Lipinski rule that this
Sir.
compound is donating 5 hydrogen atoms. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
but chlorine, fluorine, these are electronegative items. So whether they will allow to hydrogen atoms to go, or they will pull the hydrogen atoms.
I think so. They will allow, sir.
Okay, then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Lalita. Now,
Thank you.
and thank you, sir.